Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a detailed discussion on multi-cylinder petrol engine, right? So this is a multi-cylinder petrol engine which has 4 cylinders. Okay, 4 cylinders have 4 pistons. 4 pistons have 4 spark plugs. So we have petrol engine, we have a spark plug. Diesel engine, there is no spark plug. That is the difference. So there is a firing order in the engine. Do you know what is firing order?
So each cylinder
So each cylinder will get power stroke. So the power stroke will have firing order. So we have 4 cylinders. The normally used firing order is 1-3-4-2. Even though there is a combination of 1-4-3-1, 1-2-4-3 like that. 1-3-4-2 is the right firing order for this engine. Okay. So we will discuss the case of the engine is not starting. Okay, this is a case study where engine is not starting. There is a starting problem in the engine. Okay, so that is because of starter motor. Okay, starter motor. What is the function of starter motor? Is to start the engine. Okay, so we have a larger gear and a small gear in the starter motor. When you give ignition in the starter motor, the gear which is in the starter motor will engage to the bigger crank. So that crank will initiate the engine to get started. That means it will start rotating, creating compression inside the cylinder, so that petrol is sprayed through carburetor. Okay. So petrol engine, we have a carburetor. You all know what is carburetor. Carburetor is a device which will take air from the atmosphere. This is the air pipe, that is air duct. Okay, so that will take the air and mix the petrol, and it will start giving inlet as inside the cylinder. So petrol is volatile substance; it will catches fire readily. Even then, we are giving a compressed air inside this carburetor. So this is the function of carburetor, and it will supply fuel to the engine. Then the power has to come from a battery and the starter motor to the spark plug. So what is the function of spark plug? Spark plug is to just ignite the fuel. Just ignite the fuel. So you all know in your home you have a LPG cylinder. So in that LPG gas stove, we have a cylinder and we have connected to a hose. So when you want to start the stove, what you do? You will start to ignite with the lighter. Okay. The lighter is the same device we are using here. That is spark plug. Okay. So this is a spark plug is made up of ceramic part, and it will supply current continuously to the cylinders. So continuous spark in the cylinders will make the engine run continuously. Okay, so this is how this multi-cylinder petrol engine works. Okay, so whenever we have a problem in getting sparks, there may be a problem in distributor. So we have a small part here. So in this part, it is connected to wires, right? 4 wires. So this is called a distributor. Okay, so distributor will distribute equal parts of current to all the spark plugs. Okay, so this distributor is solely responsible for supply of spark to all the spark plugs. Okay, so once we are getting power, the engine starts running. Okay, so where this engine power is transmitted, that is through a shaft. We call it as propeller shaft, and that is connected to the engine load. So this is a model setup to study in detail about how multi-cylinder petrol engine works. So you all will ask, sir, when we drive a car, we are engaging a gear. Am I right? So we have a gear rod here. Okay, so this is the gear rod. We can engage this gear rod, and we have a load here. Okay, so completely when you have load, the engine transmits power from engine to wheel. So this is how it works. So we have learnt about the summary of this case study video is we have learnt about what is distributor, what is firing order, and what is carburetor, how an engine transmits power from engine to wheel. Okay, thank you.